Hi, I'm Liz Bush, an agent with Keller Williams.
And I'm Melanie Kenneman, a team leader with Keller Williams Realty. So let's talk about buyers. What are the 3 biggest mistakes they can make?
That's a great question, Melanie. The biggest mistake a buyer can make, regardless of the market they're in, is not getting pre-approved for a loan. As exciting as it is to start going looking at houses, it's definitely less exciting to fill out a home loan.
Right.
But that's the most critical stage you can take.
People want to skip that, don't they?
Exactly.
Yeah.
They want to start the process, and
Right.
they need to start off slow and get that pre-approved.
Mhm.
Figure out what they're comfortable with. It could be more, it could be less.
Yeah, that's so true, and I see that a lot too. So what's
Yeah.
the second mistake?
A second mistake they could make is not partnering with the right agent. There's a lot of agents out there, and they're all not created equally. And some agents and some buyers simply don't work together.
Sure.
You want an agent that you can trust, who knows the market and knows your needs and wants in a
Absolutely.
house.
That's great advice. And how about number 3?
Number 3 is simple. Ask questions. I think a lot of buyers these days are afraid to ask questions. Ask questions. I always try to make sure my buyers are asking all the questions they can ask.
That's such a good one because I think people don't want to ask questions because
Right.
they think, oh, I'm embarrassed or I don't want to ask. But buying's a big deal.
Yeah.
And that's a really big mistake, not asking
Exactly.
important questions on the process.
Absolutely. There's no such thing as a stupid question.
Oh, I love that. So really, if you're out there and you want to buy in Austin, Texas, I think you need to call Liz Bush because she's going to take care of you and help you avoid the 3 biggest mistakes as a buyer.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thanks for watching.